Hello friends, welcome to Renita's Cookhouse. I'm back with a new recipe, Dharosh Moshla or lady's finger or Okra masala or Bhindi masala. It's part of Indian Bengali day-to-day meal. We can have it with rice or Indian bread like roti, paratha or any other kind of bread. The ingredients we need are lady's finger or okra, about 500 grams. I have here about 510 grams of okra. I've cut the heads of the okra and cut them into small pieces. The smaller ones are cut into halves and the bigger ones are cut into 3 pieces. Finely chopped onion, 1 large. Mashed tomato, 1 1/2 large. Mustard oil, about 4 tablespoons. Finely chopped coriander leaves or cilantro, 1/2 cup. Kashmiri red chilli powder, 2 tablespoons. Kashmiri red chilli powder is different from the normal red chilli powder. I like the Kashmiri red chilli powder because it gives me a very nice red color without making my curry hot. If you want the curry to be hot, then please add more of the Kashmiri red chilli powder or the normal red chilli powder or use more of the green chilies. Grinded ginger and garlic, 1 tablespoon each. They are grinded with mortar and pestle or hamandista. Turmeric, 2 tablespoons. Salt to taste. Pach Foron, 1 teaspoon. Pach Foron is a combination of 5 kinds of whole spices like mori or fennel seeds, radhuni or celery seeds, shorshe or mustard seeds, methi or fenugreek seeds, and kalo jeera or nigella seeds. We can buy ready-made from the shops or we can make it ourselves with these spices. Bayleaf-1 Red chilli whole, 1. Grinded masala. I have made a masala with 3 kinds of spices. Carom seeds or ajwain, about 1/4 teaspoon. Cumin, 1 teaspoon. Coriander seeds, 1 teaspoon. I've grinded them all together with the mortar and pestle or hamandista. Heat about 4 tablespoons of mustard oil in a pan. Then add the bay leaf, red chilli, Pach Foron, grinded masala and saute for about a minute or 2. Add the onion, ginger garlic and saute till golden brown. Make sure that the ginger and garlic are cooked well, otherwise the raw smell of the ginger and garlic might not be liked by many people. We can add oil at any stage of the cooking. I have added about 3 tablespoons of sunflower oil. Add about 2 tablespoons of turmeric and about 2 tablespoons of Kashmiri red chilli powder. Mix well and saute for about 30 seconds so that the raw smell of the turmeric goes away and we get a very nice color. Now add the tomato. Break the larger chunks with the spatula and saute in low heat for about 7 to 9 minutes. Now add the coriander leaves or the cilantro leaves. Mix well and saute for about 7 to 8 minutes in low heat. Now add the okra and about 1 tablespoon of salt. Mix well and saute for about 5 to 7 minutes. The entire masala is done in low heat so that there is even distribution of the heat and the masalas don't get stuck at the bottom of the pan and they are evenly cooked. Add 4 cups of water. Mix well with the masala and cover the pan with a lid and cook for about 7 to 8 minutes in high heat. After 7 to 8 minutes, take off the lid. Taste the salt. Add if required. I've added half teaspoon of salt and about 2 green chilies slit in the middle. If you want, you can add more of the green chilies or you can skip it. Mix them well, then cover the pan with the lid again and cook for another 8 to 9 minutes. The total cooking time of the okra will depend upon the okra. Our okra is not very young, so it is taking a lot of time to cook. If your okras are very young, then the cooking time will be much less. Thanks for watching. I will be back with a different recipe. Don't forget to click on the thumbs up button and subscribe button below. You can also follow me in Facebook, Instagram and Twitter. Take care of yourself. See you soon. Bye.